Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the Ipsy box unboxing. I wanted to do also a spring look combined with it and a get ready with me. So I'll just show you the items that I'm using on my face and I won't be talking through the video, so just so you know, if you want to see what items I got in this month's Ipsy box, then just keep watching. Alright, so I wanted to jump in real quick at the end just to give you my thoughts on the products of this month's Ipsy box. So the first thing that we got is this Goldfaden MD. This is Bright Eyes, so it's Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. It goes underneath your eyes. This is what it looks like. And it retails for $55. So this is the most pricey thing in the box. The next thing that I used was the Lovecraft Beauty bronzer palette. This is a value of $39, and as you guys saw, it has 3 different shades, and I did use this shade here. I think I could possibly maybe use this one here. It might be a little bit light, but I did use this one, and then I could probably make the dark one work as well. And then the next thing that I used was the Sanchez Mood palette. As you guys saw in the video, I did use this shade here, this shade. I used that shade and a little bit of this one, and I also did use that one as well. I would say this palette is okay. The yellow I found was a little bit not pigmented enough, so I kind of had to wet it first for me to be able to use it, but it was alright. I did like the colors, I did like the look that I came up with it, and the brush was okay. This is the little brush that came in with it. This one retails for $35, and it's Sanchez. She is a YouTuber. I think she does only videos in Spanish, but I'm not sure. I haven't really, I think I've only watched like maybe a couple of her videos, not really a lot. And then the other thing that I got was this Benefit Cosmetics Eyebrow highlighting pencil. This one retails for $22, and I have used this in the past before. I don't remember if I've used it in previous videos, but I did have one when I first started using Benefit. I've used Benefit brow products before, and they work really good. I just do like my Anastasia Beverly Hills a little bit more, but the brow stuff from Benefit is also really amazing. And then I did get this Paris Hilton Dual Action Cleansing Gel. I haven't used this one yet. This one retails for $29. I did not use this in the video, but I will maybe insert it in a different video, let you guys know how that is working out for me once I've tried it. So yeah, let's open it up and just see what it looks like. Oh, it's pretty big. Okay, the packaging is pretty on it. I like the black and the gold. It's really pretty. Alright guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you in my next one. Toodles!